Come here, Karis. Karis. See your sister trying to crawl? I don't know where she's going now.
Oh, I found something there.
Bye. Bye.
Get it away, Caleb. Come here, Karis. Come here. Like a dog. Come here, boy. Come here, girl.
Oh, oh my goodness, I heard that.
She's coming. She's coming. Come on, Karis. Come on. Push. Push. Come on. Oh, Caleb. We're recording Karis. She's crawling. Look at her push. Oh, yeah. Keep on trying. Look how close.
Yeah.
She's closer. Okay, let her crawl. Here. Come here, sit with Daddy, so she can. Come sit. Sit with Daddy, so she'll come. Look how close she is now. She's scooting. She's scooting.
She gave up on the real crawl.
No, she's trying. Good job, Karis. Come. Oh, you're closer. You're almost here, Karis. Oh, you gonna get Daddy?
My friend Pete in Australia that I met, you know, he has the same birthday as Karis, so I commented on it on his wall. And he reminded me that his birthday's on Australia Day.
Oh, is it? That's Australia. Look, she made it. She got Daddy's foot. You made it. You wanna get closer? Look how far she made it, Caleb. From there to here. Good job, Karis. Oh no, don't kick her, Caleb. I got that on camera too.